Welcome to our ultimate guide to sofa upholstery cleaning. In this video, we will provide you with valuable insights on how to clean different types of sofa fabrics to keep them looking fresh and vibrant. Whether you have a cotton, linen, leather, or microfiber sofa, we've got you covered. Before we dive into the cleaning process, it's important to understand the different fabric types commonly found in sofas. Cotton is a popular choice due to its durability and comfort. Linen offers a sleek and elegant look, but requires special care. Leather brings a touch of luxury but needs regular maintenance. Microfiber is known for its stain resistance and easy cleaning. Knowing the fabric type will help you choose the right cleaning method. When it comes to cleaning a cotton sofa, regular vacuuming is essential to remove loose dirt and debris. For stains and spills, a solution of mild soap and water can be used. Blot the stain gently without rubbing to avoid spreading it. In this scene, we will demonstrate the correct technique along with some handy tips to ensure a thorough cleaning of your cotton sofa. Linen sofas require careful cleaning to prevent damage and maintain their beauty. Avoid using excessive water or harsh chemicals that can cause the fabric to shrink or discolor. Instead, opt for dry cleaning methods or use a fabric cleaner specifically formulated for linen. We will show you step-by-step how to properly clean and protect your linen sofa. Leather sofas add a touch of sophistication to any living space, but they require special care. Regular dusting and wiping with a damp cloth are necessary to keep them looking their best. For deeper cleaning, a leather cleaner and conditioner should be used. We will guide you through the process of safely cleaning and nourishing your leather sofa to prolong its lifespan. Microfiber sofas are known for their stain-resistant qualities, making them relatively easy to maintain. Regular vacuuming and brushing can help remove dust and pet hair. For more stubborn stains, a solution of rubbing alcohol and water can be used. We will demonstrate the proper techniques to effectively clean and refresh your microfiber sofa. Congratulations! You are now equipped with the knowledge and techniques to clean different types of sofa fabrics. Remember to always test any cleaning solution on a small, inconspicuous area first, and follow the manufacturer's care instructions. With proper care and maintenance, your sofa will continue to provide you with comfort and style for years to come.